Hey everybody, welcome to Dong One. Just got back from lunch at the Liberty Brew House and thought I'd show you around the new apartment. So welcome. First things first though, I'm gonna take off my shoes and put on my slippers. What are you waiting for? Come on. Here's the kitchen area. Ooh. So welcome to our kitchen. Luckily it's not too messy right now. Nice view out the window, sink with just a few dishes in it. One of Megan's favorite parts is this cool drawer with all of our stuff in it. This thing. Got a microwave and an oven. Here's our refrigerator. The last guy that lived here put a bunch of stickers on it. Still trying to get those off. Normal stuff in the fridge. Ice maker. Gotta have a bag of peas. Always gotta have a bag of peas. And the best part, the beer cooler. So the kitchen also has a nice island here. Doing stuff, we're gonna sell some stools for right here. And then we got the dining room area. Kinds of cool things on the walls and whatnot. Nice view outside. Here's the living room. TV, air conditioner, coffee table, couch. Here's another balcony we have where the laundry gets done. It's very, very warm out. It's probably like 90 plus degrees and very, very humid. Probably 100 degrees, 100% humidity. We're on the 9th floor, up above all the trees. Washing machine, no dryer. Sometimes we turn this fan on, blows on all the clothes. The humidity does not help. We're gonna walk down the hallway now. And door number 1 on the left. It's a spare bedroom. And it's actually kind of Megan's spare bedrooms. Shoes. More shoes. That's where Megan does all of her crafting and stuff. This nice little desk area. More paintings Megan did. And spare bedroom number 2, also on the left. This is where I keep my junk. I have not gotten a chance to straighten up yet. It is a complete disaster and mess in here. The cat likes to sleep in here. You can kind of hide in all this stuff. I'm supposed to have this cleaned up sometime before Megan gets back. It's where I keep all my clothes. Right here. And across the hall from there, we've got the bathroom that's open for everybody to use. Not just for our guests, but also this is where our cat uses the bathroom, shower and all that. And then we've got a small office area, which also has a desk and Alright view, I guess, outside at some of the other buildings. Buildings everywhere. Bookshelves, Chinese words. And now it's time to show you where the magic happens. So, we've got the messy master bed. I don't usually make the bed, so that's what that usually looks like. All of this closet space is Megan's clothes also. And we've got a nice sitting area with some nice views out the back. Megan's got a nice place for doing her makeup and whatnot. And then we've got the master bathroom, which is, you know, a bathroom. It's got all the normal bathroom stuff, sink, shower, window. It's very nice. So that's it. That's the tour of our apartment in China. Very much enjoy living in this place. It's nice.